needed to know at great risk to himself. And he chose to run, which was his right, I think. He is an individual, and protecting his own freedom, he has the right to make choices, and his choice was to flee. Now, to the government, which is obligated to adhere to the letter of the law, of course, he is a traitor. He has taken information that the American government deemed private and made it public. So where do you balance this? What side do you stand on? I'm certainly glad personally that he told us this. I, of course, knew these things were happening. I have been in the security field for many years, and I am very aware of what the government is doing, having worked with many government programs, including black programs here in America. The black programs are the programs that officially do not exist. So I'm very well aware of what the government can do and is doing. So, but I am unique. Not unique, but certainly among the few that have this privileged information. For most of the American citizenry, this was a surprise. Not a surprise to me, but a surprise to everyone else. For me, I am glad that he did it, and to me, he is a good patriot because as citizens, and we are the creators of our government, as citizens, he did us all a great service. Another question that I've been asked is, has the NSA or any other branch of government, while I was at McAfee or at any other security company, asked me to provide a backdoor or access that is to be used by the government for its own purposes? And also, do I believe that McAfee or Cisco Norton are also involved in cooperation with the NSA? Unfortunately, I cannot speak to any of those. If I did know, I would have known through official means, and my lips have to be sealed. However, I will say that the government reach of all governments is far greater than the individual knows, and in America, much greater. So I can say that anyone who reasons this through and thinks carefully, they will suddenly see that it would be unlikely for many of these countries not to have been approached by one of the clandestine organizations within America. The next question is, do I see India playing a central role in the global security initiative? And to make sure that I answer fully, I'm going to refer to my notes here. India will play a role in the global security scenario as a frontrunner and a contributor to Internet governance, and India has already, number one, leading the way for stronger control of the Internet, something that is extremely necessary in my opinion. India is pushing the way for a centralized and unbiased group to implement governance of the Internet. India is already a key global player in the global security scenario and as a member of the G20. And India had also chaired the Uncounterterrorism Initiative in 2012. And with the continued strong moves on the international front of this nature, India will continue to prove that it is an indispensable partner in the development of any international governance and global security strategy. The next question, what made me create the interesting videos on my site? Well, that's a difficult question to answer. Number one is I enjoy humor. I enjoy practical jokes. And I also enjoy, more than anything else, making fun of myself. And early in the year, as I had left Belize and rumors were flying around, there were allegations of such absurdity that I thought I would make an equally absurd video playing the part that the press wanted me to play. And so that's the fundamental reason that I created those videos. I know that many of you were hoping to meet me in person and discuss whatever it is, opportunities, projects, seeking advice, and I myself am very sorry that I could not be there in person. However, Mr. Raj Murthy will be taking business cards and contact information for any of you wishing to cooperate with any projects that I'm doing, if you need advice or help or guidance in anything that I can help you with. And thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you next year. I guarantee I will be there. Thank you.